what does a classroom look like in 15 years? What does a hospital look like in 15 years? People who graduate from the Columbia Business School VCPE program are going to be investing in technology companies and founders that are going to be shaping how we live, work, and consume for the next 10, 20, and 50 years. There are three things that is really important for leaders to have in this field. The first is you simply have to love entrepreneurship. You have to love talking to founders and thinking about what the future is going to look like. The second thing is you have to be comfortable making decisions with very ambiguous or limited data. And the third one is you have to enjoy the process of getting very creative of finding data, whether that's information about a founder or information about a nascent industry. The Columbia Business School VCPE program is unique in the sense that the two faculty directors, myself and Professor Hittrich, we both have been teaching at Columbia Business School for a long time, combined with almost 40 years. Both of us come from the side of being an investor in the business, and so we are able to marry that practical experience and that theoretical teaching experience in the classroom. We also bring in experts who are doing this on the cutting edge of doing venture capital and private equity as guest speakers into the class. The VCPE program is really well positioned to accelerate your career into or throughout venture capital and private equity. You get a lot of practical skills where you are working on real cases, real startups, real companies where you have to value them, diligence them, and think about whether or not you would have invested. And finally, the networking is really unparalleled. You will graduate from the program with a global network of people that you will invest alongside for the rest of your life.
I came in with a set of goals written down, and they were to network and expand my horizon, and secondly, to learn what is current in the industry. I can say I ticked both goals off. Columbia was one of my top options because I wanted to learn from the best and in the best place to learn, which is right here in New York City. It is the economic capital of not only America, but also the world, effectively.
As a CEO in a global industry like coffee, I'm always looking to broaden my insights and look at opportunities when it comes to investments. So this program was great for me to broaden my insights into venture capital and private equity. Columbia Business School carries an immense weight globally due to its academic rigor, the professors, but also a tremendous network of people that you have access to.
Not only did Professor Lee give us an actual structure with models that can be used in real life, I thought that was fantastic, and I use it now. I was also given a lot of information from real live venture capitalists, real examples out there in the industry today.
So the program has been instrumental in sharpening my abilities to evaluate investment opportunities and giving me a tremendous framework of tools that I can use on every day to project our strategic growth. And also the fact that the learning was case study learning, and that was very helpful in terms of setting those frameworks into understanding how this impacts a live case.
I thought it was fantastic engagement from both parties, the participants and the professors. That was key to me achieving my goals. So I'm very satisfied with the program.
I would advise anyone to see it not only as an investment in their career, but as an investment in broadening their understanding and knowledge about things and explore their curiosities.